Today we are going to look at some of the words we need to know when dealing with algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression is anything like this. Just some combination of letters and numbers with some operations. Now, in an algebraic expression, one thing that you do have is a variable. The variable in this case is x. Now, what is a variable? Well, variable comes from the English word vary, which means something that changes. So, if you talk about something that varies, it's something that changes, and this is the idea we get when we talk about a variable. X is a variable because we can put it in a whole lot of different values for x. So we can evaluate this expression when x is equal to 1, or we can evaluate this expression when x is equal to half, or when x is equal to minus 100. In other words, this x is not a fixed thing. It is something that can change. It is the variable. Then, in contrast to the variable, we have the constant. It is something that stays the same. So the thing here that stays the same and can't change is the number 6. Next we have is a coefficient. Now, coefficient is the number that one of the variables is multiplied by. Here we've got two different coefficients we can look at. First, we've got coefficient of x. If we look at here, we see that the variable x is multiplied by a number that is minus 3. So, we can write the coefficient of x as minus 3. We could also talk about and have a look at the coefficient of x square. So let's have a look here. Here is x square. What number is the x square multiplied by? We can say that x square is multiplied by 1 because 1 times any number is the number itself. So the coefficient of x square in this case is 1. Then the last word we need, or the last idea we need, is the idea of what a term is. Now, a term in an algebraic expression is a combination of letters and variables that are multiplied together and are separated by plus or minus signs. So, in this one here, we have got the terms x square, the next term is minus 3x, and the last term is 6. So, there are 3 terms in this algebraic expression.